everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. I usually put out a video on Friday, but it was a good week, hectic week, and a lot got done. And therefore, I did not get one done on Friday. Our middle son was home all week, which we enjoyed completely. But it didn't keep me from working in the garden. I did some things. Got my first chili, which I'm pretty happy with. First time I raised the hot peppers. I've always done the bell peppers and the sweet peppers before. So I'm anxious to find out just how hot this is. It's supposed to be mild. I hope so, because my husband doesn't like hot chilies. Anyway, what we got done, we've got the, didn't get much weeded, but we did get a lot of strawberries harvest. And haven't froze any yet. It's not been a great year for the strawberries this year. Excuse me. It hasn't been a great year for the strawberries this year, but we have made 2 strawberry bread, mainly because my son loves strawberry bread, so I made it especially for him. And we got the Spike and Fluffy. We got them off to the vet for the 3rd time. If you remember correctly, they have always had a little bit of a respiratory problem. And when I took them in to get them neutered, they ended up having really bad respiratory. So they had to go on medicine. And that lasted for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks almost. 2.5 weeks. After the 2nd week, I took them back, and this time they were neutered. So we've got 2 of them neutered, and they spent the last 3 days in the garage. Today is the first day in the outside enclosure. And I have Peaches, which is another male, inside the garage in a crate waiting to go tomorrow. So he'll get neutered. And we're still trying to catch that wild feral cat that's hanging around. As you can see, the roses are still blooming nicely. And here's the 2. They're finally back together again and playing. And it's been, like I said, this is the 3rd day. You couldn't even tell anything had happened to them. They're just as playful as ever. And by this time next week, they should be able to run loose. Shoes has had some problems. That back leg of hers has gave out again on Friday, so we're walking very slowly. She has a vet appointment for this coming week, so we'll have her taken care of. We did manage to get rid of 2 of the kittens, which is a good thing. So I'm now down to 10 kittens instead of 12. So hopefully we'll be able to find homes for some more of these kittens and get the rest of them neutered. Don't get a chance to sit very often, so I'm taking this opportunity. I got go to a dinner tonight, so can't get any projects started because of that. It's getting too late in the day to get that done, to get anything else done. Greenhouse we've been opening up and closing. I gotta bring in the cat food every night now because last night there were 5 raccoons on this patio getting the cat food. So I have to bring in the cat food before 6 o'clock because they were at 6:02 is when they showed up. They made the ring doorbell, activated it, and let me know that they were out here, which they probably shouldn't have because I chased them away. So, like I said, it's a short little video. So, hope you enjoyed this weather. Hope you're stocking up on food and stuff, making a garden. Remember, start out small if you've never started a garden before. Plant the things only that you really like. I recommend raised beds or container gardens, especially if you're just beginning, because of the lower cost. You don't have to hire anyone to till up the ground. You don't have to till or buy a tiller. You can just buy some pots, buy a raised bed, and buy some soil, put it in, and start your veggies. And it's a good way to start on a small scale. And like I said, work with food that you like, that your family likes, easy things to grow. This time of year would be carrots, green beans. You can even do Brussels sprouts yet by direct sowing. Sweet corn can still be sown yet. And yes, you can do sweet corn in a large raised bed. Beets, turnips, those can still be put into the ground as seeds and still get a harvest in our area. So there are a lot of things that you can start with that will help to cut down on your grocery bill, and they're easy to grow. So hope everyone has a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. Bye everybody.